Hey, it's Rebecca with Rebecca Reed Creative, web design and logo design, and this week I'm gonna give you the tip of the century. I didn't realize it was the tip of the century until I had a man call me about a month ago looking for a web designer for his friend, and he had found me on Google. And then he calls me a month later looking for a logo designer, and he said, "You keep popping up on Google. How is this possible?" And I'm fairly new, so although I do SEO on my website, I don't have a lot built up at this point. And so it is all about the Google Maps. And I will show you exactly how to do that so you can pop up on the first page of Google. So the first step is you just type into Google My Business, and then you'll see this, and you can add or claim your business, or you can simply sign on. So you do need to have a Google account in order to do this, but it's easy and it's free and you should get one anyway. So you just put in your Google account information and then you can create your business. And so you sign up with that email. If you have a business email, I would suggest doing that one. And then you enter your business address. So if you are a brick and mortar, this is where you would put that address in. Or if you serve different locations, you can put that in instead. I chose to do my home address, which my husband wasn't super fond of, but I felt like it gave me a greater chance of getting calls because having a specific Spokane address just narrows down the amount of competition compared to if I did the whole Washington and Montana and Idaho community. But that's just kind of your discretion, and it just was my guess. I don't have really any proof. But I have been getting calls, so I do feel like it works. And then you have to enter in just some more information like your phone number, your address, things like that. And then you will get a verification code sent to your address. You do need to have an address or PO box. And you will then enter that verification code into your Google listing to confirm it. All right, now here's the fun step. Now you can go in and you can put in your business. And when it pulls it up, you will see this diagram. I would highly suggest getting some reviews and as well as putting photos in and just making sure all your information is up to date. This will help you to look more credible to potential people as well. But then I go right here after I've edited my info and added some photos, and I create a post. And anytime that I have a new video or blog, this is what I do. So I just will put in the photo. I'm sure you know how to do that. Write my post, add a button, I usually just do learn more, and put the link to direct them there. This helps you to stay top of mind and top of Google because you are continually updating it. So it's just showing that you're active to Google. So boom, that's how you do it.